In the early years of the space age, as humanity gazed upon the wonders of the cosmos, a revolution was brewing. The year was 1977, and NASA, the pioneer of space exploration, sought to push the boundaries of human knowledge. Amidst the stars, a glimmer of inspiration sparked in the mind of astronomer Lyman Spitzer Jr. He envisioned a telescope that could see further, clearer, and deeper into the universe than any before. This dream, he called the Great Observatory. As the 1980s unfolded, NASA set to work on this ambitious project. The telescope was named after Edwin Hubble, an astronomer who had revolutionized cosmology with his discovery of the expanding universe. The Hubble Space Telescope was born. In April 1990, the Hubble was launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery. Its primary mirror, 2.4 meters in diameter, was designed to capture the faintest light from distant galaxies. Yet, as it reached orbit, a flaw was discovered in its optical system, casting a shadow over its potential. This crisis, however, proved to be a turning point. In 1993, astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour repaired the telescope, replacing its primary mirror with a corrected one. The Hubble's new eyes opened, revealing a universe more beautiful and complex than anyone had ever imagined. From its launch until its retirement in 2021, the Hubble Space Telescope would captivate the world with its stunning images. It peered into the birth and death of stars, revealed the structure of distant galaxies, and even discovered planets orbiting other stars, forever changing our understanding of the cosmos. The Hubble Space Telescope's legacy lies not only in its groundbreaking discoveries but also in its ability to inspire a new generation of astronomers. Its journey serves as a testament to the power of human curiosity, the resilience of our spirit, and the boundless potential of our quest to understand the universe. And so, as we look to the future and contemplate the next great observatory, let us remember the Hubble Space Telescope. Its light continues to guide us, showing us the beauty and mystery of the cosmos, and reminding us that the universe is still full of secrets waiting to be uncovered.